Ever wonder how some travelers manage to jet set around the globe without breaking the bank? They know a secret, and today, I'm going to share it with you. Welcome to The Secret to Flying Cheap. In the vast realm of the travel industry, there's a revolution that has been quietly unfolding over the past couple of decades. It's the rise of the low-cost airlines, the game changers that have transformed the way we fly. No longer is air travel a luxury reserved for the privileged few. This revolution has made the world smaller, more accessible, and most importantly, affordable. So what exactly are these low-cost airlines? Quite simply, they are carriers that operate at a lower cost structure than traditional airlines. They do this by offering no-frills services, meaning you pay only for the flight. The extra amenities like meals, extra legroom, or checked luggage, those are optional add-ons for an additional fee. Another way these airlines keep costs down is by operating on point-to-point routes. In contrast to the hub-and-spoke system used by traditional airlines, where passengers often have to change planes in the carrier's hub city, low-cost airlines fly directly between two cities. This results in fewer operational complexities and, consequently, lower costs. And let's not forget about their use of secondary airports. These airports typically charge lower landing fees than their larger counterparts, which translates to savings that can be passed on to passengers. Plus, these airports are often less crowded, which can mean a more relaxed travel experience. But what does all of this mean for you, the traveler? Well, it means that you can fly more often and to more places without draining your wallet. Imagine being able to take that dream vacation, visit loved ones, or explore new cultures, all while saving money. What if I told you that you can enjoy these benefits too? Stick around to learn how to leverage these airlines for your next adventure. Getting a good deal with low-cost airlines isn't just about booking a flight. It's a strategy, a game if you will, and I'm here to teach you the rules. Let's start with timing. While it's a common belief that booking your flight months in advance is the best way to save, this isn't always the case with low-cost airlines. Many of these carriers slash their prices just a few weeks before departure during off-peak times. So, if you're flexible with your travel dates, you can bag yourself a real bargain. Next up, hidden fees. These can sneak up on you and turn a cheap flight into a costly one. It's essential to read the fine print. Look out for charges for things like choosing your seat, printing your boarding pass, or even bringing a carry-on bag. Being aware of these can help you budget accurately and avoid any nasty surprises. Now let's talk luggage. One of the easiest ways to save with low-cost airlines is to pack light. Many of these airlines have strict weight and size limits for luggage, and exceeding these can result in hefty charges. So, consider packing only what you need or even wearing some of your heavier items. And remember, personal items like a purse or backpack often fly free, so use these to your advantage. Lastly, don't forget to compare. Prices can vary significantly between different low-cost airlines for the same route. So take a little extra time to shop around and compare prices, and you could end up saving a decent chunk of change. Remember, the goal isn't just to travel cheaply, it's to travel smartly. It's about knowing the rules of the game and using them to your advantage, because when you save on flights, you can spend more on experiences. And isn't that what travel is all about? Remember, every penny saved on flights can be spent enriching your travel experience. But how do you choose the right low-cost airline? Not all low-cost airlines are created equal. Knowing which one to choose can make a big difference in your travel experience. Let's take a closer look at a few popular low-cost airlines. First up, we've got Ryanair, a European favorite. Known for its extensive network across the continent, Ryanair offers rock-bottom prices that often seem too good to be true. But be aware, their add-on charges for things like baggage and seat selection can quickly add up. Next, we have Southwest Airlines, a top pick for domestic travelers in the United States. Their no-frills approach keeps costs down, but unlike many competitors, they still offer 2 free checked bags. That's a rarity in the low-cost world. For those venturing to Asia, AirAsia is a must-know. It's the go-to for cheap flights across the region, but also offers long-haul international flights for a steal. However, their services are quite basic, and anything extra comes with a fee. JetBlue, another American favorite, sets itself apart with its in-flight amenities. Even at low prices, passengers still enjoy comfortable seats, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary snacks. Yet, their network is somewhat limited, particularly for international travelers. Lastly, EasyJet, another European titan, offers competitive prices and a wide range of destinations. But similar to Ryanair, expect additional charges for extras like baggage and onboard meals. So what does this all mean for you? Well, when choosing a low-cost airline, it's essential to consider more than just the ticket price. Think about the destinations they serve, the services they offer, and the potential for hidden fees. Choosing the right airline can significantly enhance your travel experience and ensure you're really getting the most bang for your buck. It's about finding the perfect balance between cost and comfort, and understanding that the cheapest ticket may not always be the best value. By now, you should have a better understanding of which low-cost airlines are the best fit for your travel needs. But don't just take my word for it. Dive into your own research, compare your options, and see for yourself how much you can save. You might be pleasantly surprised. There's nothing more convincing than hearing from travelers who've experienced significant savings firsthand. Let's dive into some real-life success stories. Meet Jane, a solo traveler with a penchant for adventure. She wanted to explore Europe but was deterred by the intimidating flight costs. That's when she discovered low-cost airlines. By choosing a budget-friendly carrier, Jane saved nearly $300 on her round trip to Paris. She flew with minimal luggage, packed her snacks, and opted for a basic seat. Not only did she fulfill her dream of seeing the Eiffel Tower, but she also had extra money to indulge in some authentic French cuisine. Then, there's the story of the Smith family. They were planning a trip to Disney World but were grappling with the high airfare costs for a family of 4. After some research, they discovered the magic of low-cost airlines. By opting to fly during off-peak times and avoiding extra fees for priority boarding, they saved a whopping $500. This extra cash allowed them to extend their vacation by a couple of days, creating more magical memories. And let's not forget about the group of college friends who wanted to backpack across Asia. They had a limited budget but unlimited dreams. They booked their flights with a low-cost airline which offered them a significant discount for group bookings. By choosing to fly at odd hours and packing light, they saved enough to add another destination to their itinerary. Their story is a reminder that with the right strategies, even the most ambitious travel plans can become affordable. These stories are not unique, they represent the experiences of countless travelers who've unlocked the secret to cheap flights. The common thread? They all leveraged the benefits of low-cost airlines, from flexible booking options to group discounts and off-peak travel times. These are just a few examples of how low-cost airlines can make your travel dreams a reality. Ready to embark on your own budget-friendly journey? You're now in on the secret to flying cheap. But the journey doesn't stop here. It's a big world out there, and now it's more accessible than ever. So go ahead, start planning that dream vacation, or perhaps that spontaneous weekend getaway. And while you're at it, don't keep this secret all to yourself. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach more like-minded travelers, eager to explore the world without emptying their wallets. And remember, the travel secret sharing doesn't stop here. We've got a treasure trove of travel hacks and tips waiting for you, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. And of course, we want to hear from you. Share your experiences, your wins, your questions about low-cost airlines in the comments below. We're all in this journey together. If you've just discovered the world of affordable travel with our guide, hit the like button and subscribe for more travel secrets. Don't forget to share your experiences or questions about low-cost airlines in the comments below. Safe travels and happy savings.